Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello subscribers, welcome to the Fast Profits Daily. Myself Brijesh Bhatia. Markets have come back very strongly from a reversal levels where we have highlighted that the fear is an extreme. And in case you have missed that video, you should watch that video into the backlash archives where I highlighted that markets at extreme fear levels and Sensex and Dow Jones are indicating a time to buy. Well, coming on to this today's video, I'll be discussing about Bank Nifty. And I think Bank Nifty could lead the way markets towards the all-time high, which is 18,600 onto the Nifty. Let's start with the weekly chart first. And if you look at the first weekly chart over here, we have seen a trend line breakout. If you look at the black line over here, the trend line breakout after a long time. And this trend line breakout is, as per the time cycle wise, is very crucial for me because it has completed around 39 weeks. 38.2 being a Fibonacci number. I being a practitioner of Fibonacci for quite more than a decade now, fifth time cycle plays a key important role, and being at 39 weeks breakout, it highlights me that the structure is very bullish. If you look at the lower panel over here, the bullish crossover of MACD with histogram moving above the integer line indicates that the momentum supports the breakout levels onto the higher side. And this is not the first time that this similar scenario happens with the breakout with positive crossover and histogram moving onto the positive. Look at the second chart over here and look at the back in 2008-9 when the trendline breakout happened. Look at the lower panel where I marked the blue arrows. MACD into the negative oversold zone with positive crossover, integer line, histogram over integer line, repeated in 2016-17 and repeating in 2022 as well. So it's a same technical analysis as history repeats itself, and that's what exactly happening onto the Bank Nifty. Look at the rally in 2009. Look at the rally in 2016-17. We saw a superb rally coming onto the, though it will not be the straight line, the bullish trend, there could be a dips, and you should definitely look for a buy on dip strategy. If I look the top down approach and move on to the daily chart over here, look at the black similar line where the trend line breakout happened. If you look at the green box, the runaway gap has been seen onto the charts right at the breakout of trend line, which is very important. Plus, if you look at the golden cross, so if you look at the blue line is the 50 days average, orange is the 200 days average, and when the 50 days average crossed about 200 days average, it is a sign of bullish, or it is called as golden cross into the technical analysis. So golden cross is a sign of bullish. So it indicates that the stock or the instrument has turned bullish and it's a buy on dip strategy. So here after a death cross, which is a negative crossover, is turned into the golden cross, indicating a strong bullish scenario for Bank Nifty. I even went further top down approach and move on to the hourly chart of point and figure. So if you look at the screen over here, you are witnessing two charts over here. So let's start with the left hand side. If you look at the left side, it's 0.5% by 3, which means that every X and O you see on your screen is 0.5%. 0.5% by 3, if you look at, we are witnessing a double top buy. What does this mean? That after a rally, there is a consolidation and resumption of consolidation happen at the breakout. So there is a double top buy onto the point and figure chart. If you look at the right hand side chart, it's 0.25% by 3, which means that every X and O is 0.25%. Now, if you look at, there's a triple top buy breakout. Again, a rally, a consolidation, a pause to the momentum, a breather, I would say, and resumption in the momentum. So, 0.5% indicates double top buy, 0.25% indicates triple top buy. So, if I just go on to sum up all the charts together, weekly a trend line breakout, daily a trend line breakout with golden cross, and point and figure on hourly chart is a breakout. So, it indicates that Bank Nifty could lead Nifty to the all-time high and stay invested into the banking stocks which are breaking out. Signing off, Brijesh Bhatia.